This is a web page that we want our students to read. We provide it because it contains helpful information. Now, for a dyslexic student, this is dense text, which can lead to creative avoidance and them never getting round to reading it. So I'm going to show you just how easily you can make this dyslexia friendly. First thing I'm going to do is I'm going to switch on Open Dyslexic fonts. Now you can see the font has changed to a dyslexia friendly font, but it's still cluttered, it's still text heavy. So to make it more dyslexia friendly, I go into Immersive Reader option. And here I see straight away it's much easier to read. I can click here to see the different text options available to me. I can make the text size bigger. I already had it that I wanted the spacing to change because it will have remembered the last time I used this how I wanted to view documents. So I could say I find it easier with a blue background. And I can change the fonts again, but you'll notice Open Dyslexic isn't an option here, which is why I included that earlier with an Edge add-on. And I can also come here and I can do a line focus. So I could just read a line at a time, or I could read 3 lines at a time. I'm going to leave it at line focus. I'm going to come out, and now here's the most important feature. I can listen to that. So let me go and listen.
7. Fairness in assessment. How do I know that the marking process is fair and impartial?
So that is a lot easier for a dyslexic student to access, but if they don't like that voice or they don't like the speed, they can speed it up a little, they can change the voice. So let's try that
impartial.
again.
The university has agreed processes in place to ensure fairness and consistency.
And you can actually download different voices if need be. I hope you find that helpful.